Okay, this is the fourth question in our min-max calculus workshop. And here we got another cone, and it says the slant height of this cone is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. Um, okay, and that's what they're talking about. It doesn't have a radius of 12 centimeters. The slant height is 12 centimeters. Just let me fix that up a little bit. It was a bit of a little mistake in the question there. So it's got the slant height is 12 centimeters. The slant height is 12 centimeters. There we go. Now, what they want you to do is to determine the radius r of the cone in terms of h. Well, this is the slant height, so this 12 is the same. That radius would be there. So what we can do to determine the radius of the cone in terms of h, well, we've just got that r squared plus h squared equals 12 squared. So, but we want to solve for r, so we subtract the h squared, we take the square root, and there we've got it. R equals the square root of 144 minus h squared. Well, it looks ugly, but it's going to get easy when we put it into the formula. Okay, so now the next question is, determine the value of h for which the cone has a maximum volume. They're very nice to us, and they gave us the volume of a cone, 1/3 pi r squared h. Well, we've got a way of writing h. We've got a way of we've got a way of writing r now. We know that r is a root 144 minus h squared. So all we do is we go, the volume of h is 1/3 pi times the square root of 144 minus h squared. Well, if you square a square root, you make the square root go away. You're just left with 144 minus h squared. Okay, we're multiplying by another h here. 144 divided by 3, that gives you 148. But there's a pi times an h. It's a little bit confusing in there, but 1/3 pi times 144 is 48 pi times h. There you go, 48 pi h. And then you have a 1/3 pi times h squared times h. That's 1/3 pi over 3 times h cubed, and there's a negative there. Well, there's the formula for the volume of this cone now. But what's nice about it is everything is now in h. We don't have any r there. So now we can find the derivative with respect to h. The derivative with respect to h, and wow, it's easy because it's just 1 times 48 pi. 3 times 1 over 3, hey, that was nice. It cancels, and you get pi, and you bring this down 1 to h squared. There it is. There's the derivative. And what do we do with that derivative to get a max or a min? We let the derivative equal 0. So we put a 0 there. And what we can do, we can factor out pi for one thing. There's a pi in both. And then you could divide by pi. Because both sides by pi, the pi is going to leave. You'll have 48 minus h squared equals 0. Well, add the h squared to both sides. H squared equals 48. The answer is the square root of 48. So your answer for the maximum volume with the height for this cone will be 6,93 centimeters. That's the height that will give you the maximum volume for the cone. And that's it. There we go. I hope that helps. That's the fourth video here in our min-max calculus workshop. Okay.